Hello again and welcome back to CaptainFishbeard.com. Now, I know a lot of people out there like Roblox. It's pretty cool, right? Now, if you want to draw one, they all look different. So, draw whatever you like, right? Nah, because they all have certain characteristics which look very similar. So I'm going to show you the basics by drawing one based on, I don't know, me. Okay. If you want anything else drawn as a Roblox character, let me know. I'll see what I can do. Right, so the basic head shape is this one. There are a couple of different ones, but I think this one's the most common. And then I'm just going to work out exactly where the sort of eyes and mouth are going to go on this one. So around there and there. So the eyes tend to be like this, quite close together. Two little ovals like that. And then the mouth is probably usually coming around there. It's got a kind of Roblox-y look already, isn't it? And then the neck's going to come down like that, and you've got a sort of more blocky kind of upper body. So we draw take that as a sort of rounded rectangle there, and then we're attaching it to the neck with these sort of two little lines there. And then we can take that down to the waist. We'll have an arm coming up like that, and one coming down like that. So again, when you're doing your arms, I find just do one line to start with. While you're at your pencil stage, just do one line. It helps you get the angles right. It helps you get the length right as well. So these ones, the left ones are a bit longer. So I'm going to put that up there to even that out. And then you can start putting the other lines in as well. I'm going to stop that about there. Stop that one about there. And then I'm going to have these sort of hands there, a bit like they've got sort of Lego-y hands, haven't they? Okay, I'll stop those there and there, and we'll finesse that when we come back to it. That's going to have some sort of hair over the top in a minute. I'll sort that out in a mo. Then for the rest of it, you can just draw a blocky body like that, and then you can have the legs coming out slightly like that, and then blocky, and then the feet just generally just blocks like that. So this is the Roblox blocks. The blocks. So just do that until you're happy with it. I'm just going to keep extending those if I want longer legs. And that's your basic shape. When you're adding the detail, just remember to keep it really, really simple with these guys. There's no detail on these. So I don't think there's any necessarily ears to stick out on here. So I'm just going to follow that all the way around with a straight line. And do some hair going over the top there. Because even though I'm wearing a hat, I do have hair. Oh, it's got a bit squished. Put my hat back on. Anyway, there's the eyes. And a mouth. And I'm not really sure about a Roblox beard, so I'm going to just do a little something like that. There we go. That looks a bit like me as a Roblox. A Roblox? A Robloxler. A Robloxler man. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. There we go. You have him coming up there. Now, obviously, if you've got a Roblox character, you can draw them. And if you haven't, you can just make one up. Which is what I just did. And it's super fun. I really like drawing these kind of guys. I'm going to put those towards the middle as well now. And then just keep to these lines. Nice, big lines. Keep it looking blocky. Simple as that, using those really big blocky lines. And then these you really need to add some colour to and make them look really, really vibrant, and dress them up like your Roblox character is, or whatever you would think a Roblox character should look like as well. So really have fun with this one and make them look however you want. Draw your friends in Roblox form. That would be quite cool. That would make a nice birthday card, wouldn't it? If I did this look like my friend, that's her name, Jim. My friend Jim. So I'd be like this one here, and I'd be like, Jim, this is you. And I can write Jim. Send one to your friend Jim. And you can write happy birthday on it, colour it all in. Damn, make a brilliant card for someone who likes Roblox, wouldn't it? Do it like Jim. Do it for yourself, and let me know how you get on. I'd love to know what you get up to in Roblox and what especially you are drawing in Roblox, because there's all sorts of things in Roblox that you can you can draw and make a whole scene with as well. So try that, have a lot of fun with it, and I'll see you next time on CaptainFishbeard.com. Please subscribe. Big pink circle. Bye.